Here's my shop. I put my desk over here in this corner since there's power outlets and looks like television. I had to hang the TV up high. I love my brick wall in the shop. Looks like they're doing the electrical in here. Power outlets. Let me show you the front of the shop. It looks really cool. It's hot out though. See, they're starting the brick. Shop looks pretty cool. That's just a beam to hold up the rock. It's going to be one big garage door. You go around the front. Looks like they haven't done a whole lot of brick. Finish it up in a couple days. My son was out here Monday and this is exactly what it looked like. So they kind of stopped. It's going to be stone all the way up and then brick edging. This is going to be all brick, maybe some stone around the poles. These are, oh no, yeah, they are stoning all these. Pretty. See, that's all going to be stone. I hope. That's going to be stone all the way up. And then brick edging. We had them do this, which is, I like this. This little design right here kind of juts out. That design looks pretty cool. I like that. We did it on the house next door. That's where we got it. See how that looks? How the edging pokes out? I like that. Here's in the front yard. Got to do some clearing. Going to have a circle drive back in here. So not close to the house, but just have to have a sidewalk going out to it. I'm doing some landscaping on this house next door, putting in all the sod. Whew, it's pretty warm. I was going to get the drone and do a flyer. Got my lean-to. Look at there. This is going to be a patio off the shop. And I'm going to have my grill and my Blackstone griddle out here. There's the apartment. And we built an apartment on the back of this, so that's what this is. Haven't got any windows yet, so we're waiting. They're doing the brick as best they can until we get some windows. Oh, they did some interesting brickwork on top too. That's kind of cool. Whew. I hope they come back out and do some more brick. It's a lot cooler. I'm going to have ceiling fans, 2 ceiling fans here. Oh, they bricked that thing. And I'm going to have a great big ceiling fan right up there. Great big propeller fan. Then I'm going to ask them about the air conditioning, see how they can, this is all going to be spray foamed. So this whole shop will be insulated. The entire thing, I think even the door. So I got to figure out how I want to do a air conditioning unit in here. Heating and air conditioning, so someone will be working out here all the time. I don't think they put a box back here yet. I didn't see it. Yeah, they're supposed to put a box back there where I can put if I decide to do a air conditioner unit, like a DIY, I'll have to come out like right here, and then I'll put the unit, well no, the other unit will be there, so I have to put the unit like right here. This is all my yard, believe it or not. I'm taking those cedars down. All that cedar crap's coming down. So, that's it so far. The lean-to is kind of nice.